Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can change your name or username on Facebook. So just go to your profile, you can just click here. And once you're here, just click on this down icon on top. And then you have this option called Go to Account Center. So just click on that. And over here, you can just click on Profiles and Personal Details. And then click on your profile. So you have this option called Name and Username. Just go ahead and click on Name. So you can choose any name that you want to add. You can put first name, surname, middle name, anything you want. If once you change it, just go ahead and click on review change. Then you can change your name. So if you go back, you can click on username as well. So just add any username that you want and it will show up on your profile URL. So it'll be easier for anyone to visit your profile. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech tutorials. So thank you and have a nice day.